Did you know that not all penguins live in the ice? Or that they have diving superpowers? In today's video, we're going to reveal 9 incredible facts about penguins that very few people know. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want more videos full of fascinating curiosities like this one. And stick around, the last fact is so surprising it sounds like something out of fiction. 1. Not all penguins live in the ice. When we think of penguins, we often picture frozen landscapes, icebergs, and snowstorms. But the truth is, not all of them live in these environments. The Galapagos penguin, for instance, lives near the equator, one of the hottest regions on Earth. Other species live in South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, and even the deserts of Patagonia. This shows just how adaptable penguins are. They're far more tropical than you might imagine. 2. Penguins are exceptional swimmers. Even though they can't fly, penguins are like torpedoes in the water. They can swim faster than 30 kilometers per hour, much faster than any human. The emperor penguin, for example, can dive over 500 meters deep and stay underwater for up to 20 minutes. Their control in the water is so advanced that, during deep dives, they slow their heart rate to save oxygen. 3. They wear natural thermal insulation. Penguin feathers are incredibly dense, about 100 per square inch. They overlap like scales, creating a layer that insulates the body from the cold and repels water. Beneath the feathers is a thick layer of fat that helps keep their body temperature stable, even in extreme conditions. It's like they're wearing a high-tech natural wetsuit all the time. 4. Penguins molt all their feathers at once. Unlike most birds that shed feathers gradually, penguins go through a full molt at once. This process, known as catastrophic molting, leaves them looking scruffy and unable to swim. Because their feathers are essential for waterproofing, they must stay out of the water and rely entirely on fat reserves to survive during this time. 5. Some penguins are the size of a child. The emperor penguin can grow up to 1.2 meters tall and weigh more than 40 kilograms. It's the largest living penguin species, practically the size of a 6-year-old child. These giants of the ice are also fantastic parents, as you'll see soon. But even more impressive is the fact that prehistoric penguins were even bigger, and that brings us to fact number 9. 6. Penguins have courtship rituals. During mating season, some penguins offer stones as gifts to attract a mate. These stones are used to build nests and also symbolize care and commitment. Many penguin species are monogamous, staying with the same partner for several years or even for life. 7. Males incubate the eggs. In some species, like the emperor penguin, it's the male that takes care of the egg. While the female leaves to hunt, the male keeps the egg balanced on his feet, tucked under a fold of skin to protect it from the freezing cold. For about 2 months, he doesn't eat and survives only on his fat reserves. It's a true example of extreme parenting in nature. 8. They drink salt water. Living surrounded by ice and sea isn't a problem for penguins, even when there's no fresh water. They have a special gland, called the supraorbital gland, that removes excess salt from their bodies. This gland filters the salt and expels it through droplets from the beak, like a salty sneeze. 9. Penguins recognize voices in a crowd. In colonies of thousands of birds, where everyone looks and sounds the same, penguins use unique vocal calls to find their partners and chicks. Each penguin has a signature sound, like a vocal fingerprint. It's with this special call that they reunite, even in the chaos of a crowded, icy colony.